So, it's 7 in the morning on a Monday, day off for us. It's my birthday.
It's your birthday! Yay!
And we are already up. Why is that?
Because we're going to the Disney Hollywood Studios to see if we can get on a boarding group for Rise of the Resistance at Galaxy's Edge.
Yeah, the newest attraction of Galaxy's Edge.
Because we're that nerdy.
Yeah, we're gonna try it. Hope we'll get a spot.
We will see.
And we watched a few YouTube videos about how to make it possible, and we were gonna try a couple things. So we'll see. We'll let you know. Just a few.
So the park doesn't officially open for another 35 minutes, and look at all these cars trying to get in. So I have a feeling we will be with masses of people trying to get in.
Well, we made it to the parking lot. We're now just looking for a parking spot and see what's happening.
Yes, we are. All right, so we're through security. We left our backpack in the car because we figured let's not bring that, waste time in the longer line.
Yeah.
So if we get our boarding group, then we'll go back to the car and get the backpack. But there are a lot of people here. I'm going to swing around as we go through the main entrance here. We're slowly letting people in.
20 minutes to go.
So we're getting in. We still have 20 minutes before the 8 a.m. mark. So we'll see. It's kind of exciting, right?
Enjoy your time here at Disney's Hollywood Studios.
Tip 4 is launch the app. Once inside, you will click on Find Out More and then My Status. Once you hit My Status, and then refresh it. And then hit the back button. And then put in My Status again. That's what you want to do. Back My Status. Back My Status. And then hopefully you'll get Join a Boarding Group. And click on Join a Boarding Group and you're in. We found a bench here on Hollywood Boulevard. We've checked our speed test. I'm going to use just my Verizon data. Juan Carlos is using data plus Wi-Fi on his phone. So we're going to try, and we're both going to be refreshing right at 8 a.m. Basically hitting the My Status and the back button. That's what we've heard would work.
So we're going to try.
We're going to pray. Hopefully we get a boarding group.
Yep.
We'll see.
All right, people. We have 2 minutes more to go. So
we have 1 minute and 40 seconds.
All right. So we'll start trying. Just
the countdown is on. It's like my heart is starting to race. Like I'm so nervous. Isn't that weird?
Yeah.
All right, we're at exactly 1 minute. 1 minute, everyone. Right? It's
exciting. The anticipation is killing me.
All right, we're at 30 seconds. 30 seconds.
Like a lot of people doing this, right? I thought
everybody's got their phones.
Yeah, but not like, I don't know. I thought that everybody was going to be like this.
Yeah. All right, 15 seconds.
Welcome to Disney's Hollywood Studios. A virtual queue is being used for admission to the Star Wars Rise of the Resistance attraction.
8 seconds.
Guests
5
hoping
seconds.
to confront the First Order in Star Wars Rise of the Resistance should join the virtual queue through the My Disney Experience app or with the assistance of the guest experience team.
I got it.
You did? Pick both of us. Pick us.
Yes.
Please note,
Done.
the
Group 5.
virtual
I
queue
got it.
is
I got it.
Star Wars
I got it. Group 5.
Ooh, we're group 5. That's so early.
Other shows in the
Yay!
Hollywood Studios. So
excited.
We got
Yay! Yay! Woohoo! That's awesome. Wow. Yay!
So exciting.
That's like, yeah, group 5. Yay! We can head over because group 5 is like one of the first boarding groups.
Nice.
That's so cool. Happiness is a lifestyle. Yay.
Happy birthday to me.
This is your birthday. Yay! Woo! Yeah, I didn't even get it. That's so awesome. Yay! Our Hollywood adventure. And it'll be attached to our bands. Yeah.
Nice.
Yes, I love. Happy birthday!
Thank you.
Absolutely. And you're all set, so
Thank
go
you.
right ahead, guys. Good luck.
So exciting.
And we're going in.
I can't believe we got group 5 and we are already in.
It's insane.
It's 8:13 in the
8:13.
morning. and we're already
8:13.
in. And trust me, people, I was like this close to say, let's just stay in bed.
Yeah.
But I was like, you know, I want to do it. He definitely wanted to do it, so let's just do it.
And here we
It's
are.
a commitment.
It is a commitment to get up this early, come to a theme park, get your blood pressure up, hoping you're going to get in, and here we are. Here we go. Whoop, whoop. How cool. It's your birthday.
It's cold.
It's cold on Batu. Are we on Batu or somewhere else? We're here.
We're here. You believe it?
We're totally nerding out right now. It's fun.
Everyone in recruits.
Please file all the way across that room. We got a lot of people coming in. Make sure we get everybody in that room.
Stand clear. Dead doors opening now.
Hurry, all recruits to transport. No need for safety gear. It'll just do it right.
Oh my god. Wow. Look at this.
Deck is in motion. We're retreating to transport.
Wow.
Look at that one.
Initiative. Death train, you are clear for launch.
All the way in, all the way in. All the way in, quickly, all the way in.
By the authority of the Supreme Leader, we have captured this shuttle. Everyone here will disembark immediately. Sit down the hall to be processed for your interrogation.
Oh no. Oh my god. Oh.
My God, this is unbelievable.
I actually have tears in my eyes.
This is beyond what I was expecting.
There will be no delays. Finish our scans and move along.
There's no way to describe this, even through video.
It's like you are in the movie.
This is unbelievable.
Along the wall, stop at the end of the line. Excellent, stop there, along the wall. How many here? This way, follow behind this group of 2 along the wall. 5, this way, follow me. My next group, wait there. 5,
They're so serious.
They're very serious.
It's like very intense.
Something's going on.
We are captured right now. Like this is.
And 2 on silver. Remember the color code I have just assigned you. You will need it soon. Red and blue and to the south.
Great job, recruits. Thanks to your heroism, the location of the resistance base is secure. Bravo.
Monty.
Yes, R5.
Oh
You
my God,
too.
this is just unbelievable. Oh my God, people, this is jaw dropping. Like the entire time I was like this. This is the biggest, most incredible ride I ever rode in my life. It's ginormous. Everything that's happened is just amazing.
Yeah.
We ended up in a complete different part of the galaxy's edge. Like,
It's
so-
like, I mean, like literally, like I'm emotional. It was so
intense.
There's so much to see in the enormity of it.
Oh yes.
And the immersiveness of it, and just the sheer spectacle that you like. Yeah, if you ever get a chance to come here, definitely.
It's worth the the hassle. It's worth the hassle and the stress to get up early. It's completely and totally worth it.
Yeah, it's beyond anything that I even imagine. I've watched tons of YouTube videos, and we're YouTubers, and there's great videos out there, and you're gonna watch our video, but
There's nothing like being here.
Yeah, it's yeah, I'm having a hard time talking, and that's really rare for me. He'll tell you.
Very rare.
So yeah, literally, I have like still water in my eyes. Like
when we first entered to that big room with the
stormtroopers,
I was like blown. Like, what is? Oh my God! What is this? What have they
yeah,
done?
the emotional response that you get is unbelievable. Yeah, for sure.
Yeah.
So, from our perspective and our mantra, happiness is a lifestyle. And here in Batuu and riding Rise of the Resistance,
they know how to make us happy.
yeah. This is by far the top #1 attraction I've ever been on in my life. Wow. So, with that being said, we appreciate you watching as always. And what do they need to do?
They need to subscribe.
Yeah, just subscribe so we can bring you more cool videos like this.
Hit that button, smash it.
Smash it, just like they do on Star Wars. Smash things. All right, until next time, everybody, peace out.
Peace out, bye.